You want access to real-time reporting? MonetizeMore has also developed a more robust and real-time reporting that some publishers need to scale in their business. We call it data transfer. So what is data transfer? Data transfer report files provide non-aggregated event-level data. This data is essentially raw content from the ad manager ad server logs. PubGuru processes raw-level data and provides reports as per publisher's needs. How frequent reports are being updated? Data transfer reports are generated by Google as raw files. Google mostly sends report data 5 to 15 hours after the event occurs. MonetizeMore updates this report every hour. For example, if impression registered in Google at 6 a.m., then reports will be available around 2 p.m. in data transfer. So what is the time zone of data transfer report? Data transfer reports are in the MCM network's local time zone, for which MonetizeMore is PST. Here are some data transfer capabilities: side-by-side KVP reports, device, country, ad unit dimension report, unique click reports required by publishers, unique page view and session reports, URL report without limit of top URLs, CPM metrics with URL report, page view session will be added in the future. No restriction on available dimension selection. So how do you generate the report in PubGuru? First, you need to ask your ad optimization team to enable data transfer. Once enabled, wait for at least 48 hours to allow time to fetch the data from Google's server. Now, here's how you run the report. You go to a report builder on your PubGuru dashboard. Then you generate new report. Make sure to add in a name, for example, data transfer. Make sure this one is unique. Report type, data transfer. The filters, we need to add in a specific domain, and let's choose this domain, for example. And the dimensions, you can add UTM campaign, UTM term, and you can add in the device, you can add in the country, and you can add in the ad unit, and of course, you can add in the date. And for the metrics, you can choose all that is YAM, because all the data is coming from Google Ad Manager. You can either select it daily, add in the email address as to where you want the reports will be sent to, and you hit save. As soon as you hit save, it'll automatically send reports to the email that you added here. That's how you access data transfer.
Thanks for joining us today. We hope you enjoyed our presentation. Also, learn to monetize more by watching our tutorial series and reading our latest ad optimization tip. Please subscribe to our blog to receive periodic updates. Thanks. We'll catch you next time.